Hello friends, my name is Taufik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create a map animation video in Canva. It is pretty easy, so let's get started. So I already created one video, so let me show you that. So it looks something like this, as you can see. So this is basically the animation that we are going to create. It's very easy. So I will create a new video template. So I'll go to videos and landscape video. Now we need to go to app category and select an app. So simply go to apps and search for map video. So I will search map video, click on the first option. So this is the map video that we are looking for. Click on the map video, and when you open it for the first time, you will see a button called open. So we have to click on open first. After clicking that will show only for the first time. Then you will see this window. Now you can, from here you can select the type of plane that you want. So let's say I will select this. I want this one, so I will select this, the middle one. Then country 1 and country 2. So let's say I want United States, so I'll go here, United States of America, and again I want, let's say, Japan, so I'll go to Japan. If you want text, click on text, check both add flag field and add text, and simply click on create video. You can also select the duration, select 5 or 10 seconds. In 2 seconds you may not see anything, so 5 seconds or 10 seconds. For this particular example I will select 5 seconds, and I'm going to click on the create video. So it will take some time depending upon speed of your internet and again strength of your computer. It will take some time, as you can see. And once it's done, you can see the preview over here. As you can see, it is showing the preview. And if you want it on your document, simply click add to design. It will add the animation video to your design, and it is still loading. This will take some time. Now it's done. So resize according to your liking. So I'm going to make it full screen now and simply preview this. So look, I will play it one more time. So we selected United States and Japan. So it is very easy to create these kinds of animation videos in Canva, but using it properly, that is very important. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.